Hi, this is Andrew the blacksmith, coming to you from downtown Bangkok. Just putting a little video together about intros and outros and how you can put them together. Very good part of your YouTube video performances. Now, I've looked at a couple, and this is my favourite. You can do little clips, and it's reasonably priced. I've joined my plan. With me, log in and log in. That's me there, Butch Scorpion. Okay. So you get 10 minutes a month. So that's quite a bit actually, because they only go for 15 seconds. So you've got a pretty wide range. There's some that you can't actually use. I'm on the, I think I'm on the personal plan. Oh, let's see. What's my plan? My orders, my previews. My account. Let me see. Oh. So I've done a few. I was in this a while ago, but I got out of it. I was in the expert, paying about $20 a quarter or something. So I'm back in and I've started small because wasn't using it a lot. But so this, for instance, here, this is one I did. You can do a preview. The previews aren't all that brilliant. They're a bit jerky, but let's see. This is what you get. See, it's very jerky, but it's not like that when you download it. So just click off there, and you can download. And I usually do the HD. Why not? You're paying for it. See, it's downloading down here. It's 20 megabytes. I'll let it download. Okay. Yeah. So I just want to give you an idea what I think can be used for intros and outros. Here's another one I did. The previews, as I said, they're a bit jerky, but never mind. I might be able to show you up here. I did another one. I didn't really like this much. This cost $9 too. Well, it wasn't really. This cost me $9. I wasn't impressed. Not at all. I won't be buying any more of them. So, but this one here, give you a look at this one. Oops. I'll open with, come on. Fetching, not fetching off. Open with, right, that one. Now look at that, that's quality. That is quality. I like that. And I'm doing a review for, what else have you got? Let's see that again. There's some funny things at times. Oh, your stealth commissions. Okay, I'm doing a review using that as an intro. Stealth commissions, fully mapped video course. Yes, it certainly is. And I'll get you where you want to go. Okay, so I'm going to wrap it up there, but I do recommend this FlixPress. Would not go anywhere else. It's just really up to date. They send you emails when everything's ready, and I'm going to be doing a few more of those. I like their style. Okay, so this is Andrew the blacksmith signing off with a Riccapooty and a pan doogly. Or just hang on a sec. No, signing off. Okay, bye for now.